Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
And this mouse is just luxury for a computer mouse. It's so comfortable, lightweight, but yet very durable and sturdy. I love the comfortable grip. It's so smooth when I use it and sensitive so that I don't have to struggle. It's super convenient that my husband can use it and I can use it. It's available to be connected via Bluetooth across 3 different devices. If you have a desk job like me and my husband do, you need something that you can use after long several hours and still feel comfortable. And this has a nice rest for your thumb and it just is easy to use. I just love having it.
I highly recommend this for anyone who has a desk job, and that's my point of view.